All right, how to factory reset the Kwikset 916. First step is you're going to want to have it installed. You're going to want to get started on the back. There's going to be a plate here. I already removed it. You're going to get that plate removed. And then we're going to start the reset process. And so for the reset, what it's doing is it's kicking this lock off any network, as well as you're going to have to rehand the lock, so teach it which way to go. So if you ever have to reset, this is how you do it. You're going to pull the battery pack out. You're going to hold this black button here, so the program button. So I'm going to click down on that. You're going to drop the battery pack back in, and then you're going to count to 30. And it's a true 30 seconds. But after this 30 seconds, you're going to hear a beep. When you hear that beep, you're going to see this light flash. And you're going to actually let go of the program button. You're going to wait for it to flash red twice, and then you're going to re-click it. So that's the process. And now we'll just kind of wait until that beep happens. So there it is. Flashes red once, twice. We re-click the program button. That'll flash a bunch of different colors like a Christmas tree. But how you know that you did it correctly is it's going to start rehanding. So there you go, it starts rehanding. And this could take 5, 20 seconds. It's different every time. All right, and that's it. That's how you factory reset the Kwikset 916. You will have to rehand it after resetting, but that's it right there.